ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ kú dédé àkókò yìí Tẹni ọmọ ológo náà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ mo fẹ́ fi fídíò kan wọ̀nyí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹjọ́ káàjọ dá ẹdùnú kí ló máa ń ṣẹ̀yìn ọkùnrin náà tó jẹ́ wípé àfidà pani nìyí ẹ kì í fẹ́ kí wọ́n mú dà kọjá lórí yín so bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn fídíò kan mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀nyí sìn máa dẹ̀ fi wọ̀nyí kẹ́ ẹ wò fídíò yẹn lè pé wọ́n ń pa ọmọkùnrin kan ní lẹ́mọ́ fèètì bí lẹ́mọ́ọ̀sì ló kọ rẹ̀ lárákùnrin bá prank ìyàwó rẹ̀ ló bá gbé obìnrin wá lulé ìyàwó jókòó sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ló bá gbé obìnrin yìí wá ló bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kíìsì obìnrin lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìyàwó ló ń kíìsì ló ń jẹ gbogbo ètè ìyàwó dẹ̀ jókòó ló dẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbéyàwó ni nìyẹn ń wò báyìí nìyẹn ń wò rákàkọ nìyẹn bá tara yẹn ò gbé mọ́ ìyẹn bá bínú ló bá dìde ló wọnú yẹ̀wù ló bá lọ bá nínú yẹ̀wù nígbà tó máa dìde kọ́kọ́ fi sí yẹ̀yẹ́ lọ gbá àwọn àtọ̀rẹ́ wọn jọ ń fi ìyàwó sí yẹ̀yẹ́ pé ó ta ó jó ìyàwó mú mọ́ra ó wá wọnú ilé létà wọ́n ṣàjọṣe ó padà jẹ́wọ́ pé prank ni ẹni tó wà ní wardrobe oníkó bọ́ta pé prank ni ìyàwó ní so prank ní kinní kan báwo lè ṣe máa ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ó accept as a prank Mr. Pranker ó accept àbí oní prank ni ọmọ ọlọ́mọ gbà fún ẹ torí pójóbìnrin kò sí wàhálà ó wá di tọ́ọ̀nù tiẹ̀ lọ́mọ àǹtí mi lòun náà bá lọ prank ọkọ ẹni kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ ló bá gbé wá sínú yàrá lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì matrimonial bedroom gangan matrimonial bed rẹ̀ ló bá mú ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ ló bá mú sí yàrá ó lóun fẹ́ lọ mú àjòjì níta wípé ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ gangan ló ń fẹ́ lò sódà torí pé òun ò mọ̀ ó lè padà yíwọ́ nǹkan padà fọ́ nǹkan lórí sẹ́ni nígbà tí ọkọ wọlé tó ká ọ̀rẹ́ àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ló bá fojú sókè ló bá fi tọ́ gbà kò sí bọ́mọ yìí ò ṣe sọ tó létà lọ́mọ bá jẹ́wọ́ pé prank ni kódà ẹni tó wà nínú wardrobe tiẹ̀ náà tó ń kámẹ́rà rẹ̀ ó padà tó kọ́ tó ń rí wípé prank ni bọ̀bọ́ yóò mọ̀ gbà kò mọ̀ gbọ́ ló bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fojú sókè ní tutọ́ gbà ló ní láyé o ló fẹ́ para rẹ̀ dànù ní ògbà ní ògbọ́ ní ó ń ké máa fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fídíò náà kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wò dáadáa kẹ́ wo bó ṣe ń fẹ̀ fún fò bó ṣe ń ké ìgbà tó ń gbé obìnrin wánulé tó ń prank ìyàwó níwájú ìyàwó tó ń kíìsì ọmọ eléyìí ò tiẹ̀ kíìsì o kíìsì tó tún wá kíìsì ọmọ tán yẹn ó mọ̀ tó fi padà fi bẹ̀bẹ̀ ó mọ̀ àti ìfọ ẹnu yẹn nu tó fi gbẹnu sí ìyàwó rẹ̀ tó ń kíìsì rẹ̀ ńdọ́nà tó ń kíìsì rẹ̀ tó kíìsì rẹ̀ tọmọ yẹn padà ṣẹ́ tó wá dórí tiẹ̀ ó wá fi pé ànàbẹ́sọ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ prank o gbogbo dírámà tó ń ṣe ń ta ẹjọ́ jẹ́ pranker ẹjọ́ jẹ́ pranky ọ̀gbẹ́ni lẹ́mọ́ fèètì àbí lẹ́mọ́ bá mi wo fídíò ká tó parí nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ ẹ bá mi wo fídíò náà ẹ ṣé gan.
Keep kissing her. Keep kissing her. Keep kissing. I must see you now.
Okay, before we got married, you know say all these things they happen normal. Now video, now skits. I was not even kissing her very well. At least you there when it happened. If you know there, you go talk.
You were not even shy. You were just kissing her like that.
Wait, why I go this shy for my work? Don't embarrass them now. Don't do like that. I paid all of them there. Don't do that. Victor, come outside. Victor is even inside our wardrobe. Victor, come outside. I want you.
So you were inside this room and you were watching everything. So today I'll be pranking my husband. Like, I don't know if I've not done it before. This is my first time and I just want to give it a try. It should not look as if this thing. But that day that I did this one, it was very painful. What do me go? But I had to pretend as if it did not pain me. So like today I did this friend. It's been long that they saw each other. So I begged him, like I begged him to come. Like, she please will come. I want to prank my husband back. I want to do him back. Let him see how painful it is. Go do that. So guys, I think he's already downstairs already. He's coming. Just wait for me. Like oh yeah. See, do it well. My bad, Joe. Hold on.
I should say, come, don't rub it to my head, don't kill me. I don't want to kill you, please.
Are you stupid?
Don't kill me.
Look at some. Wait. Where's one? Where's one? Go. What's the meaning of this? No, bro, what's the meaning of this thing? Huh? What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Wait, Jesus Christ. Wait, what's the meaning of this? David, wait now. What's happening?
Wait.
You don't want to
No, what is for me? David, wait, Joe, what's happened? Wait,
bro.
Wait.
It's not what you think, bro. Okay.
What's the meaning of this? What's
Calm down.
What happened? Now, wait, my wife. What did I do? Harry, with my wife.
Relax.
Where's my wife? You went up some close out of my bed with my wife.
Relax, bro.
Babe.
Wait, go join me now. Oh God, what's happened? Oh God.
Relax.
Wait. You went boxer.
Babe, it's a prank.
What the fuck is that one? Who's that prank? That one? Where's the camera?
It's a prank.
Where's the camera? Who's that prank? Wait.
Babe, see what I said?
Wait, bro, this thing is not even funny.
Why will I beat your wife?
No, guys, why you go weapons?
I was with you on your wedding day, on your engagement day. Why would I
Babe, sorry.
beat your wife?
Wait. Guys, why
It's a prank.
No, they can't say no.
Look at the camera. Yeah, it's a prank.
Why you go weapons, sir?
It's a prank.
Come
Like,
on, room. Come on,
Map.
Babe.
It's a
You go
Babe, calm down. Wait now.
It's a prank, now. This is a
It's a prank.
Come on, my room. This is a prank.
Go now.
Wait, my wife tell me go prank me. You go weapons.
It's a prank.
My wife tell me go prank me. You
Why are you like this?
What's the
What's
camera?
the camera now?
I don't care, bro. Get out.
No, look at your wife. Come on. Come on,
I don't want to come off my room.
Come on, for your room.
Make nobody's house.
Calm down now.
Go. God. Don't say prank with that one. Who said prank with that one? Say my wife won't prank me. Who said prank with that one? Man, you come off my house. God damn it, you come off my house.
Calm down now. This is not a prank now.
God damn it, make you come off my house.
Wait, relax.
Oh, God.
Let me relax now. They don't do your wife anything. I said it was a prank. I was even angry before, but it's not a prank
God, no
now.
go take. Who said prank? My wife wants to prank. The idiot don't tell me say my wife wants to do prank.
Oh boy, why you like?
Bro, wait, my wife wants you to do prank. Wait, my wife wants you to do prank. Wait, my wife wants you to do prank. You don't call me, say my wife wants you
Why
to do
would
prank.
fight na prank? Na prank.
For my matrimonial
I
bed.
don't do all these things.
Harry,
I don't stop because she
Wait.
gets me.
Wait, guy, for my
But
weapons,
I
I'm talking.
didn't support you, guy.
Wait, first.
Why you start to do
Guy, wait
such,
first.
guy?
For my matrimonial
Why you start
bed.
to do such?
Why you not tell me say my wife? Let's say make you come around.
Calm down now.
She said na prank. Say man don't tell you.
Why this idiot?
Na prank. Now
Don't
what
tell
you
me say
tell
my
you?
wife. Who's kind of sense prank?
Guy, you know this.
Who said she started to prank? Why?
Okay now.
Why?
Lemon, it's
She
okay.
gets me make her do am.
It's okay.
No.
Wait,
Guy,
relax.
you get something with
I don't touch your wife.
Calm down.
You get something.
I
with-
Can you leave? This is a please now.
Ah,
I should leave your
guy,
house.
come off my house.
This is a go
I
for.
should leave your house.
Guy, come off my house. Come off my house. Come off my house.
Son now.
Let's come off my house.
Relax. Calm down.
Oh,
Fight this. Calm down.
guy. Ah,
Calm down now. You break.
guy.
Hold on.
I go move this guy. I swear,
You won't wound me first. Oh.
I go move this guy. Make him off my house.
Say make I leave your
Fine,
house.
leave.
My wife won't prank me. He tell you, you come my house.
And you leave.
You wear
now.
boxer on top of my bed.
Oh boy, you don't make me see.
Wait.
This way.
Bro, wait. You wear boxer on top of my bed. You don't get me say they come my
Calm
place.
down. Can you calm down?
Because my wife won't prank you. No, leave me.
Don't do now.
No, leave me. You know what? They don't talk. Who know what happened? Maybe one more see. Who know what happened?
They are recording.
Where's my wife?
Calm down. No. You will not do this. No. Hello. I know they. Woman right activist right for you. I know they. You
Ah,
won't beat woman. See your fellow man now. You don't beat them.
ah. Who said this? If not prank, you go too far.
It's a prank.
Why you go call my friend? You know since when I see this guy last?
Calm down.
Why you go call my friend for wedding day? You come for wedding day, come my house.
She's
Stay on
not
top of
like
my
that.
matrimonial
On
bed.
your bed. I know
They tell me it's not prank. Who's that prank with that one? Who's that prank with that one?
Calm down. What do you want now?
I don't take that rubbish. I swear. Who said she started to prank?
See, I'm swearing.
Wait, maybe I'm not joking. Come.
Come where? You want
Wait.
me to?
Whose day did you start doing prank? Wait, whose day did you start doing prank?
You've been doing it, and I decided to just do my own revenge, but it's not like that.
You want to do your own revenge. That's why you brought.
Wait.
That's why you brought Harry. That's why you brought my friend to my place.
What are you saying,
I don't
mama?
want to use a stranger. That was what I have to use.
You won't do the version I want film.
Jesus
You want to
Christ.
revenge on who? You want to
Wait.
revenge on who? I want film.
Wait, that's why you brought Harry.
Can you come
Then
down?
why is he on boxers?
Oh, guy.
Wait, you want to do prank? Why is Harry on boxers? This guy didn't waste one year.
You're making me get so many whole estates. I'm fine. What? I will leave you.
Then why is he on boxers?
Can you? What, Father, you said, I just back, this guy is angry.
Why is he on boxers? That's what I'm asking.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to take it.
Whose day did you start doing prank? I married you, right? This is it. Whose day did you start doing prank?
Hold on now.
No, Mary, I'm asking you. Whose day did you start doing prank? Let the video me. Let the video me. Wait, sir.
You want this video?
Let this video on social media. If this video, if you post it there, who did you start doing prank? Wait, why is one?
Oh, you said calm down now. Calm down. You hold me now. I had an ethic day already. Who from far they come. See us and they sweat. I need to have all this. I forget my house. Oh.
Let the video me.
Leave Victor.
Victor, remove that video from my phone. Remove that.
Victor, leave. Come on for you.
Let the video make you mad. You regret? Man, what I'm asking you is, whose day did you start doing prank?
Can you sit down?
Like you brought a man to my house.
That man is not a man.
I don't care. And he's on boxers. In my own bed.
Can you sit down? Sit down now. Let's talk this thing like adult now. Sit down.
Eh?
Neighbors are hearing now. You're disturbing the whole estate now. Sit down. As in die. Mary, why? Look at my body now. I'm messed up already now. Look at how I'm sweating.
She think this thing is funny. She think it's funny.
You don't do now.
You say this thing is funny.
You don't do now. See, she's kneeling down now. She's begging you now.
What's kind of prank with this one?
She's begging you now. I'm sweating like.
What's kind of prank with this one?
Hold on.
What's kind of
Nothing
prank with this
happened
one?
now. Nothing happened. Don't be normal prank with you.
Wait, what I'm asking, is it because of two of us are not sharing Facebook page? Wait, is it because of two of us are not sharing Facebook page? Wait. Who's there? You don't content creator. Who's not content creator? Who's there? You don't content creator, Mary.
Calm down now. You won't me.
Is it because of two of us are not sharing Facebook page? You say you want to prank me. Who's there? You don't prankster. For crying out loud, let me marry you.
Never wait now. Let's talk this thing like another. Wait now.
That is what pay me. God. What's that noise my head carry? What that noise my head carry?
You guys are.
ìyàwó tí ń ké báyìí ó nínú ilé ń ti dàrú ó lọ́kọ òun ò bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ṣẹ́yìn náà sáà ti rí fídíò náà ẹ dákun 1-1 kọ́ ní 50-50 ó nínú ilé ti dàrú ó lọ́kọ òun ò mọ̀ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ kò mọ̀ jẹun dáadáa mọ́ kò mọ̀ tẹ̀lé ń jáde mọ́ ọkọ sì ń ronú and I'm very sure jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pranky ọ̀gá lẹ́mọ̀ jó jẹ́ pranky we drama tí wà àtìyàwó rẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pranky tí ò bá jẹ́ pranky tí n bá lẹ́hùn kò lórí sórí tẹ̀mọ́ tó gbé lérí àbí mo lè pè ní mọ́ọ̀bù tá a fi nulẹ̀ tó gbà lórí rẹ̀ okùn tó dè mọ́rùn á padà fi dì ẹ́ lásìkò sórí bó ṣe ń jáwọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn tó ń já tó ranjú wọn yẹn tó fẹ́ ṣeré tó fẹ́ ya wèrè sí àárín títì yẹn ń tó gbé sọ́rí náà wọ́n padà fi dì ọ́ tó bá yá àfidàpadì tí ìjẹ́ kan múdà kọjá lórí àwọn tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ ń prank tó yẹ kẹ́ máa prank wọnú ilé tẹ́ bá ń ṣe pranka yín tó yẹ prank yóò yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe pẹ̀lú ìyàwó yín nínú ilé ó yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe prank dí ọ̀dọ̀ ìyàwó nínú ilé kẹ́ má lè fún ìyàwó yín ní respect bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo rí kan tó pè ní viral ń jọ̀wọ́ ńbẹ̀ yẹn tó gbọ́ ọmọlọ́mọ tó ń ṣe nínú hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tó ní kó máa bọ́ sí òwò ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn nǹkan míì wà tó yẹ kẹ́ máa fi prank ọmọ àǹtí mi má lọ try rẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé prank ni kò mú mọ̀ pé drama lẹ́ ń ṣe ọ̀nà tó bá dẹ̀ wí ilẹ̀ ti lè fi mówó but and then jẹ́ kí n tún wá sọ reality ẹ̀yin obìnrin náà nǹkan míì wà tó jẹ́ pé ntọ́kùnrin bá ń ṣe ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa sọ pé àwa náà fẹ́ ṣe ntọ́kọ bá ṣe àwa náà ṣe ẹ̀tọ́kọ mi bá ṣe gbá èmi náà ṣàwò respect is reciprocal àbí kílẹ̀ ń pè respect is respect ẹ mọ wóyìnbó bẹ̀ káàkiri kò kàn mí àwògbélé àwògbé èbó gbogbo èbó yín ẹ mọ wáyé tó bá correct ká ọmọ àǹtí mi ẹ respect ọkọ yín ẹ fún ọkọ yín lọ́wọ́ má sọ pé torí pọ́kọ́ ṣe kinní kan kí wọn náà ṣe ọkọ náà kò respect ìyàwó ẹ̀ ntí ìyàwó yín ò bá fẹ́ má máa ṣe fún wọn nígbà tó bá ń gbóbìnrin mi wà nílé tó ń jẹ́tẹ̀ tó lóun ṣe prank ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tó ń ṣe fíìmù that is wà tínú ilé wọn fi máa ń sábà dàrú àwọn tó ń ṣe tíátà most of them wọ́n máa ń jà ní àfàwọn tó jẹ́ pé ìyàwó wọn jẹ́ òṣèré tọkọ wọn ń ṣòṣèré ẹ lọ wo most of people wọn tó jẹ́ pé ọkọ wọn jẹ́ òṣèré tíyàwó wọn òjò ṣèré inú ilé yẹn máa sábà dàrú ẹlòmíì wà tó jẹ́ pé ọkọ rẹ̀ fíìmù òṣèré ni ìyàwó ibẹ̀ ẹwà àwọn obìnrin wọn ẹ máa rí pé single mother ló pọ̀ jù nínú àwọn actress yẹn because of pé n tí àwọn ọkọ wọn ò lè farada bí kan máa bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ọkọ wọn máa ń jealous ẹ̀ àfẹ́lẹ́ tó bá yẹ pé àwọn méjèèjì jọ ń ṣe ló kó mọ̀ pé tóun náà bá jètè ń bí òun náà máa jètè lọ́túnla so wọ́n ti jọ ọmọ owó ara wọn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ló máa ń jẹ́ fún gbogbo wa apart from prank or no prank ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kọ́gbọ́n nínú àwọn nǹkan tó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ torí pọ́kọ mi ṣe gbé èmi náà fẹ́ ṣe ọkọ mi sọ pé kíní tèmi náà fẹ́ sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ díẹ̀díẹ̀ ọ̀wọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ lára ń fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká respect ara wa let's respect each other please in marriage thank you.
I don't know, but there is something that happened between my husband and I. He did a prank on me, and he said he brought this girl inside. I was kissing her, and I felt really, really bad and jealous. But then I was very, very jealous when he told me it was a prank. So I decided to like, okay, since this is what he wants to do, let me do something that will also spice our marriage up. Like, I'm not a social media person, but I just said to come out. And so I decided to do a prank with his longtime friend that he has seen for a very, very long time. So he came around. I felt when he sees his friend is going to be very, very happy, and I didn't want to use a stranger because I don't know how he's going to feel. You guys would have watched the video. So after I told him it was a prank, I was expecting it was going to be calm, but he just flared up, and I don't know what to do. I've been begging him and begging, I've been pleading, but he has not been talking to me.